many of you would love to see yourself earning 6 figures or more a year within the next 6 to 8 months? I'm going to get you to make $10,000 a month, 6 figures a year here with healthy hydration. Well, we have a new course coming up. It starts on January 29th, which is a Monday. We have it in 2 different time zones. So no matter where you're at in the world, the start date is the 29th. You got to be registered anywhere from now to the 27th. So in this course, you're going to have an accountability coach, so you can't get out of the homework, because we want to make sure you get results, because it's a money back guarantee. So if you're serious about this, I want you to watch what we're going to be doing here, and I want you to take action, because successful people see a good opportunity to take action. Unsuccessful people, they see it, they take a long time, and then after they get involved, they go back on it. And you can literally take their past, put in their future, and they're living the same life over and over again because of fear and doubt. They don't get beyond that and believe in themselves. And I believe in you more than you believe in you, so make sure to follow along here and take action at the end, okay? So here we go. When you're in leverage-based business, like we have here at Healthy Hydration, we have a comp plan that's awesome. There's upfront bonuses, and then after you make $10,000 a month, you get an extra $1,000 bonus. Bonus pools coming up too. You have 20%, 10%, 5%. Somewhere on this page or possibly up here, there'll be a little video that walks you through this process, okay? So the first thing we gotta learn is some skills. When you go to college, well, school doesn't even teach you how to learn. School teaches you information. How do you learn? You learn by doing. So we're gonna be learning the skills here, because you're gonna be taking action to actually learn it so you get confidence. Taking a risk makes confidence. The bigger the risk, the more the confidence, and the more the reward. We want to get you rewarded, okay? So the first thing we got to learn how to prospect. Okay, and I don't spell very good. If in case you know, I was actually in special ed myself. When I was in 9th grade, they put me in special ed. Well, I told myself it's because I was just street smart, not school smart. But I wasn't interested. I didn't enjoy biology. But you know what? If I can do what I done, you can do what you can do with my help. You don't have to have a college degree. You don't even have to be good at schoolwork, okay? So prospecting, first skill. How are we gonna do it? I'm gonna teach you how to get people in your pipeline. Leads are a way of life. Everywhere you go, there's gonna be people. You gotta see if they're serious or they're curious and they wanna get involved. So I'll teach you that, so master that skill. Second skill here is we gotta invite. We gotta take that prospect, now they're interested. We grab their attention, what are we gonna do? We're gonna get them invited to watch a video, to try some water, or perhaps just, here's the link, purchase it, okay? So we're inviting somewhere. Then, after we invite, we gotta follow up with our prospects, right? But I don't want you chasing after people. I don't want you saying to them, man, I'm sorry I'm bothering you, because you're not bothering anybody. But if you're going at it following people up, they don't want you to follow up with them. Follow-up should be fun. So it's a skill. Follow up. Then, after we follow up, we get to asking. Without asking the question is, if you're ready to get started today, you're never gonna get the reward. But of course, people don't wanna ask, they don't wanna close, because with closing comes objections. And objections are just well puns, stalls, lies, and roadblocks to get you to believe that, maybe they're interested, but behind the scenes, they don't wanna spend the money. So you usually an objection is followed by, I would love to, but I can't right now because I don't have the money, or I can't right now because the dog got out and I have to go, help the dog catcher get some extra money over here. And then the story goes on and on and on and on. It's like a drunkalog is what I call it. Okay, so we're gonna close, objection, you're gonna overcome because we teach you the skills of doing it, okay? Then the fifth one here is we're gonna close, object, and then we're gonna duplicate. And once we get the yes, duplication. We gotta take what you learned and help the next person learn it too. So that's a skill, how to educate others, to empower others. So we'll go through that. And the last skill here is we build for events. Events build a business. We work event to event to event. The more people you get at the event, the more results you're gonna have. The more people talk, the more people result. Woo, there you go, you're all around the world now. So those are the fundamental skills we're gonna learn. And we're also gonna go through online sales, how to market and brand yourself online so you become the brand and people want to come to you. We call it the alluring method. I'll teach you that. People are going to be drooling over what you have, and you're not going to just give it to them. They're going to want it, okay? So that's going to be coming up, and then we're going to go all through the mindset. So we all have a mind, and there is a set mindset. And then, some of us have a lot of limiting beliefs. We can't get beyond ourselves. So we're going to help open you up so you can realize that you are so powerful that you can do anything that you want. So part of this whole process is I'm going to have you write out your goal. Most people, 95% of people, fail their goal. There's several reasons why, but one of the biggest is that it's not a goal that they are excited about. It's your mom telling you to do something, and it's not your goal. So we're going to go through all these different things, and I'm going to teach you, empower you with knowledge, and you're going to go through the process and remember, wow, if I just follow the laws of the universe and I use my imagination, my intuition, my focus, which is your will, your reasoning factor, your memory, and your perception, and you get your body out of stress so you can actually think, then you can go out there and you can just be so powerful in your life. And the best part about life is it's livingness, meaning that you're creating the future ahead of ourselves, and you get to learn and live through the process of that. So when you're making 6 figures a year in 1 year and you're thinking about it now, and you know it's going to happen because you know the laws of the universe, and you know how to get whatever you want because you went to the training, and then you're walking in your life and you smile because you are living the dream you created. So either you're going to live from the past and you're going to keep getting the same result over and over and over again because you can't get past the fear and the doubt, or you're just going to create the future that you want and you're going to get to live in it and you get to enjoy it. So I hope you have a really big desire and a big dream, because I'm going to teach you how to get everything. Because the mission of my company is to free people from physical and financial pain. Because if you are financially strapped, you end up having physical pain. If you're physical pain, you can't go to work because you're in pain. So there you have a financial pain. So they go together. So this water not only helps you with your physical pain, but also your financial pain. So within this first year, my goal as the owner of the company is to create 100 leaders here that are making over 6 figures a year, the first year. So the question you want to ask yourself, is that you? And if it is, I want to work with you. So go ahead and click that link below to find out more about how you can do this. You want to purchase either the Hydra home unit here that sits on the countertop or the Hydrogen Deluxe. I like the Hydrogen Deluxe the best because you don't have to hook it up, so it makes it really simple to start scaling the process. It has a really robust filter in it. And it makes high amounts of hydrogen. And of course the home unit's great too because it makes ozone water. So whatever you choose, you did the right thing, you made the right decision because you're gonna have all the products eventually. So anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, you have right now till the 27th of January to register. So take action and we'll see you in the upcoming course.